Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. 2009 Mazda 6. Saw it there, 2.5 liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder engine. We're doing the Serpentine belt. Tensioners down here below the alternator. We'll probably be going underneath in the wheel well to access everything, get a better look. Took the wheel off, 5 21mm lug nuts, break them loose while the vehicle's on the ground. This is how I'm choosing to do it. They do make special tools, long reach tools, to get to the tensioner. I'm going to assume that you do not have the special tools. So I'm taking the tire off, then I'm getting in here. Now I'm going to take this off here. These are little Phillips plastic screws called scrivets, I believe. We're just going to turn these out like so. You see the dust falling. That's kind of weird. Alright, there we go. Got one down here, one here, one on the other side. And one down there. So I see 4. I'm going to take those out. We get to our tensioner. There's right there. There's a 5th one back here. I'm going to pull this back like that. I'm going to use this. And also take out the scrivets out of here and take this off if you wanted to. Certainly do that. I'm not going to choose to do that. Using a 15mm. Actually says lift right on it. Just going to pull back like that. Yeah, we can do that. Just going to pull back, and I hope we can see the belt loosens up. And we'll take it off. Pulled it off the water pump. You can kind of see how it's wrapped, although you probably just want to do yourself a little drawing. And just take the belt off. Reach up there and start pulling it off. Boom. Belt's off. Not a lot of room for filming. Yeah.
I'm lucky, man. My Northwest Natural just went from AT&T to Verizon.
Oh, nice.
So I'm looking at, I think, like 12% off.
12%.
10 or 12% off my bill.
Yeah, well,
That's awesome.
better than nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm up above now. It's a little easier to reach some of this stuff. We put this around the power steering. We need to drop it straight down to the AC. Yeah, I need to push it back underneath. There's a flat pulley down here. Need to get it underneath that. So I've been fighting the belt myself. Wants to pop off pulleys and such. But got it up over the alternator, like you see there. And it's starting to go up towards the power steering pump, but not quite up to drop it back down. So it's fighting it. You see I got it looped here to go to the water pump down around here, and it's around the AC. So again, I'm going to go up top. I was there once before, and I'm going to go up again and try and pull this up. What I might do, actually, is stick a rag in there. Stick a rag in there, and that'll maybe hold the belt in place, keep it from pulling through, give it some resistance. Maybe that's an idea for you to try. Some paper towels. You got some clamps, maybe to somehow hold stuff in place too. That might help.
You know, they make less fragile flashlights. Yeah, they do.
Not a flashlight, it's a camera.
Well, my work here is done. Yeah.
Alright, around the power steering. Now back down. I did put a rag in there, it seemed to help. I have everything back on. Got my 15mm wrench. So I'm going to pull it to the left, clockwise, and reach up there and put it around that pulley there. Sorry I can't get it on camera. This could be a job where you have a friend over. He might help. Maybe you can do it up front on top at the power steering pump instead of down here where it's tight. So that is a thought. So hope I've shown you enough to allow you to replace your serpentine belt on your 2009, 2008 Mazda 6, probably 4-cylinder engine. Good luck to you. Lug nut torque, if you're putting the lug nuts back on, which you probably should, probably like 80, 85 foot-pounds.